Hi, this is Frank Gray with the Abbey team at eXp Realty. Today I want to answer the question, what's the most important criterion to consider when selecting a property for an open house? Of course, there are many factors that you want to be thinking about: accessibility, visibility, days on market, price point, school district. But the most important criterion of all is this: is the home within your geofarm? And if you're not familiar with that concept, a geofarm is simply a geographic area, a neighborhood, where you are consistently marketing your services with the intent of becoming the dominant agent. You want to host your open houses in your geofarm because of the incredible value you're going to get from promoting the open house. We all know that it's highly unlikely you're going to sell that home to somebody who sees it for the first time at the open house. However, it's highly likely that by saturating the neighborhood with your branded directional signs, passing out 50 flyers to the nearest homeowners, and then doing your regular geofarming, your social media outreaches, your postcards, your community events in that neighborhood, all of this promotional activity for the open house is going to reinforce the message that you are the dominant agent in that neighborhood. You live there, you work there, you play there, and nobody should consider any other agent to list their home or help them buy a home other than you. So the next time you think about hosting an open house, ask yourself this question: can I find a home in my geofarm? If you can, your business is going to get a tremendous boost. My name is Frank Gray. I'd be happy to talk with you more about this one-on-one or have a general business coaching conversation about getting your business to the next level. Just reach out to me. I'm here to help. Let's go there together.